Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're talking about the Swan on the ladder barrel. I am such a fan of Swan on the ladder barrel. It is definitely someplace you want to do Swan before you do it on the reformer. If you are struggling with your Swan on the mat, it will really give you the feedback you need to use your full body, because sometimes it's really easy on the mat to let gravity win and just go into your lower back. So this really helps you learn how to stand in your feet. There's a Swan for everybody on the ladder barrel, so you can do it at any different level to make it more advanced for you. And that's really, really fun. And you're just going to love it. So you should just try it. So when you Swan, there are a couple different variations. So I'm going to show you the one that's more ideal, that everybody should be able to do at some point in their life. And then I'll show you some ways that you can actually modify it to get yourself into that position someday. Or, for my 84-year-old client, he's never going to do the one I'm going to show you, but he does do a different one that's actually really awesome for him. So in a perfect world, you would put your feet here, heels together, toes apart, and stand on the balls of your feet. And it's really tempting just to be on one part of the ball of the foot, but get the whole ball of the foot on there. Then you slide down a little more than you think, so your legs are really pressing into the barrel, because this is going to be a leg exercise. And then you drape yourself over. Now, go ahead and just relax and feel what that's like, and just know that we're never going to do that again. We're never going to be this relaxed over our barrel. So stand in your feet, lift up your center, and then it's not about lower back bending. It's about standing in your legs. So activate your arms on your back and then come all the way up. Here we go, right here. I could go back further, but what I'm going to do is actually reach my tail down a little bit and lift my upper hip bones up so that I can go back more, but in my upper back. Then I'm going to come long and I'm going to reach out. And right here, instead of going backwards, I'm going to get longer, lift my heart forward, and make this more about my upper back getting extension rather than my lower back. Then you reach and you pull your stomach up as you slide back down. You lift up, and again, right here, it's tempting just to go back. Stand in your legs, lift your center up, and make the upper back bend more. Then come into a long line, straighten out like a Superman or woman that you are, and then standing in your feet, lift your heart more forward and your stomach more up, and just get longer. And then when you bend your knees, pick your center up, pick your low ribs up, and come back down. Okay, now a couple other variations you can do. You can do it standing with your feet here on the base of the ladder barrel. You can come up here on the base of the ladder barrel, and then they can come down here and they can come up, again making sure they're not going back like this, but rather going up, right? And then pulling their center in to come down and pulling their center in to get long. Another way you can do it to teach someone is actually do it with the straight version first and do straight parallel legs. They'll really start to learn how to use their hamstrings. So it's a little scary at first, but you stand on your legs and you drape over, right? And then you reach your arms forward and you come up to the straight line, and then you pick your stomach up and you come back down, and you come up to a straight line and you come back down. And you really will feel how much you have to use your legs. So then when you're doing it on the mat, or you're doing it on the reformer or on the Cadillac, you realize it's not just how much I can back bend, it's how long can I get and how much can I use my legs and my heart reaching in two directions, right? So I really hope you try that out and enjoy it. It's a great place to practice your Swan. Find that extension in the upper back. Allow your stomach to come up with you. These things are really going to help you to really enhance your extension wherever you go. If you think about your pull straps, right, on the reformer, and if you can really get this nice long Swan, your pull straps are going to change. There's going to be so much length and lift without crunching in your lower back. You're going to get really, really strong, and it will just enhance everything else you do. So I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos from me, please make sure you subscribe below. We also have hundreds of free tutorials over on onlinepilatesclasses.com, where you'll find weekly mat and reformer classes that you can take wherever you are at whatever time you want, and they're only 30 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.